Setting facility capacity in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to tell me how much a facility can produce, set shift and seasonal limits, and pick a target utilization so I warn you before a period is overbooked. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Settings Facilities from your dashboard. Once a facility exists, I need to know how much it can actually produce. That's what drives your production planning and my scheduling alerts. Open the facility from your Facilities list, then click the Capacity tab. Enter your total fermentation capacity and packaging throughput in whatever units your team already uses. If this facility has seasonal or shift-based limits, say packaging only runs 2 days a week, enter that here too, so I don't overbook you on the schedule. You can also set a target utilization percentage. That's the ceiling I use before I start flagging a period as overcommitted. Check the numbers against what your team can realistically hit. Save. And from now on, when anyone schedules batches or packaging runs against this facility, I check them against this capacity and warn you before it's overbooked.